The cool thing is in a home you can pretty well make anything smart, even things like desk lamps and standing lamps. And we can do that with one of these smart plugs. This is from Sinope. We've already got a few Sinope light switches here. There's so many different manufacturers that make these now. I typically try to stay with the same manufacturer in a house, just kind of makes things easier. That being said, the cool thing is a lot of this stuff is kind of open standard and it'll work with most of the smart home apps that are out there, including the smart home digital assistants like Amazon Alexa and Google Home. Pretty easy setup on this here. So we're going to install this down in the plug. First step is to actually plug it in. So I'm just going to unplug the lamp here. Bam. And then I'm going to go through the Sinope app. They call theirs NeviWeb, and I'm going to go in here and basically follow the instructions. Already with the Sinope, I've installed what's called a Zigbee bridge. It's a little kind of gadget box that I've installed over at the router. It's going to be necessary to hit a button on that when we're setting this up. I'm going to do everything it asks me. Also wants me to hit the button on here to recognize it. There we go. And done. Next step, plug the lamp back in. So the cool thing now is that Laura is going to be able to control this lamp from the app no matter where she is. It even sets schedules if she's not home. So if I want to turn it off now, maybe she's at the couch, wants to watch some TV but doesn't want to have to get all the way up again. Boom. Turn it on again. Bam. How cool is that? But to take it to another level, of course, we want to have the digital voice assistant as well. I'm going to go into the Google Home app because she's got that going in her house here. And we're going to go in and discover this smart plug here. Going to go through the steps. And there it is. And once that's done, we can now control it with our voice. Check this out. Hey Google, turn on the desk lamp. Hey Google, turn the desk lamp off. How easy was that? No more having to try to find the little switch on the lamp itself. Laura can finish doing her work, and as she's going into the kitchen to get a sandwich, she can tell Google to turn the lamp on or off. Super easy stuff.